Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing your Mac into recovery mode so you can access OS X utilities. Hold Command and R immediately as the machine boots. Once the spinning globe or Apple logo appears, release keys and wait for utilities to load. Make sure you are on a reliable network and plug into power. If reinstalling, connect an external disk. You do this to isolate the system from the main volume and to ensure tools like Disk Utility and Reinstall OS X run from a safe environment. Once in recovery, choose Disk Utility to verify and repair the startup disk. Select the main volume and click First Aid. You run First Aid repeatedly until it reports no problems, because many boot issues come from file system errors. If Disk Utility reports unrecoverable corruption, make a backup using Terminal or Disk Utilities Restore, then plan to erase and reinstall. This step ensures the physical and logical disk structure is sound before attempting OS reinstall or restoring. After repair, pick Reinstall OS X to refresh system files without necessarily erasing data, or choose Restore from Time Machine to roll back to a known good state. Follow on-screen prompts and select the correct destination volume. Once installation completes, sign back into your Apple ID and verify settings and files. If the installer fails, use Internet Recovery, Option plus Command plus R at boot, or create a USB installer on another Mac. This solves bad local recovery partitions and gets you a fresh installer to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.